Ever felt stressed while packing for a trip? It's all too common to feel overwhelmed staring at an empty suitcase, unsure of what to pack. Maybe you're prone to overpacking, lugging around too many clothes you end up not wearing. Or perhaps you're the forgetful type, always leaving behind an essential item, and let's not even get started on the last-minute packing frenzy. If you've ever been in this situation, you're not alone, but worry not, we're here to help. Welcome to our Ultimate Packing Guide, your one-stop solution for stress-free travel preparations. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the importance of a packing list cannot be overstated. A well-structured list ensures you don't forget any essentials and helps you stay organized. Remember, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Next up, the art of rolling clothes. Instead of folding, try rolling your clothes. This technique not only minimizes wrinkles but also saves a ton of space. It's a win-win. Moving on, consider using travel-sized toiletries. Not only do they comply with airport security regulations, but they also free up valuable space in your luggage. Plus, they're super cute. When it comes to attire, versatility is key. Pack clothes that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This strategy will reduce the number of items you need to carry and also keep your style game strong. Next, let's talk about packing cubes. These nifty tools help compartmentalize your belongings, making it easier to locate items and keep everything tidy. Last but not least, always check the weather of your destination beforehand. This will enable you to pack accordingly and avoid any weather-related surprises. Implementing these tips will not only save you space, but also time and stress. So next time you're preparing for a trip, remember these hacks and enjoy a hassle-free packing experience. Happy travels! Let's quickly revisit the packing strategies we've covered today. We've learned that planning ahead and creating a checklist can eliminate the risk of forgetting essentials. By packing versatile pieces, we can reduce the amount of luggage and still have a variety of outfits. Remember, rolling clothes instead of folding saves space and prevents wrinkles. Don't overlook the importance of using packing cubes and travel-sized containers to organize your belongings. We also discussed the benefit of packing a small first aid kit for emergencies and the convenience of carrying a portable charger to keep your devices powered up. These tips are not just about efficient packing, they're about enhancing your overall travel experience. Less time worrying about packing means more time to enjoy your journey. With these tips and hacks, packing will no longer be a stressful task but a simple step towards your next adventure. Happy travels!